We are now going to be talking about the athletes who are pushing limits, breaking barriers, and reminding us all that age is no measure of greatness.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let's meet the young champions redefining India's sporting future.
And for that, may I please request CNN News 18's Shivani Gupta to come up on stage along with Gagan Narang in just a bit.
And the nominees are... She scripted history by becoming the first Indian to win 3 consecutive ISSF World Cup golds in women's 10-meter air pistol. Suruchi Phogat. At just 14, he emerged as one of India's most sensational young cricketers, shattering records across formats. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. She clinched gold at the Asian Athletics Championships and brought home India's second ever women's high jump gold. Pooja Singh. At 19, she won the FIDE Women's World Cup, securing her Grandmaster title and entry into 2026 Candidates Tournament. Divya Deshmukh. He etched history with the lights to flag Formula 2 sprint win at Monaco, the first ever by an Indian at the iconic circuit. Kush Mani.
All right, let's have CNN News 18's Shivani Gupta to come up on stage with Gagan Narang. Let's also invite Mr. Sanjeev Bikhchandani on that note. Mr. Bikhchandani, the stage is also yours. All right, let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Sanjeev Bikhchandani, Gagan Narang and CNN News 18's Shivani Gupta all on stage.
Well, you realize you're on your way out when from getting awards you start giving them. So the winner is Suruchi Phogat.
So many congratulations, Suruchi. She's just 19 years of age and is already seen as a trailblazer in the world of shooting, but as any athlete in India. And who better than Gagan Narang to talk about the kind of consistency, Gagan, it needs to win 3 consecutive, World Championship medals, World Cup medals, and there's a whole lot more that she has won, actually.
Well, absolutely. I think the decision was a tough one, and we debated quite a bit on this one. And winning 3 back-to-back medals, especially gold, against one-on-one fights with China and the rest of the world, absolutely fantastic. I mean, when we would go, we would struggle to be in the finals. Slowly came a time when we went in and started winning medals, and now here's someone who's winning 3 back-to-back gold medals in the World Cup. Fantastic.
सुरुचि, आप क्या कहना चाहोगे? इतनी आपकी कंसिस्टेंसी के बारे में सब बात करते हैं. You've become a big star in Indian shooting. तो उस कंसिस्टेंसी का सीक्रेट क्या है?
First of all, thank you so much for the award. The reason of the consistency is my practice, that I practice for 8 to 10 hours in a day.
8 to 10 hours?
Yeah, that's the reason behind it.
How much did you practice, Gagan?
About the same.
So what else do you do? Do you get time to do anything else in your life?
No, I just shoot and sleep.
No wonder you're winning all the goals.
No, I think this is a very tough category to decide on. Because all the nominees are really good. But eventually, it was by a small margin, we decided to go with Suruchi.
Well, shooting is a sport of very small margins.
It is.
so.
It is.
But I want to ask you, Suruchi, now in latest news, as you must have been seeing, 2030 Commonwealth Games are coming to India, and that is going to be a huge deal for all of us Indian athletes. Suruchi, are you excited about that? It's 5 years to go, but are you excited about that?
I always excited for the games.
But playing at home and playing somewhere else, how different will that be? घर पे खेलने के लिए क्या advantage है?
It's like home, but in other countries we also think about the home, and then we win the gold.
Gagan, of course, has his own academy. He's been, doing his bit in getting shooting stars, but you're also, in a way, a sports organizer of sorts now. Your thoughts on India winning that bid, and what do you think truly it would do for Indian sports?
Well, I think we are privileged to be living in an era where we've seen, at least I shot one of the Commonwealth Games in 2010. I shot the world record of 600 out of 600 and won 4 gold medals. I think that really gave a lot of Indians the chance to start with the big games. And, having that coming back to India in 2030, I think is a great platform. It will set the tone for 2030 to 2036 and beyond. So absolutely fantastic, and looking forward to all the sporting action that's about to come.
Yes. So Suruchi, I just want to ask you, बहुत सारी young girls, young boys आपको देख रहे होंगे, और आप उनको क्या बोलोगे अगर वो कोई भी sports career अपना बनाना चाहते हैं, shooting में या किसी और sports में? Where should they start? How did you start? You actually dabbled in wrestling first, because आपके गांव में wrestling ज्यादा करते हैं वहाँ के लोग. तो आपका वो starting कैसा रहा, और आप बाकी youngsters को क्या advice दोगे?
जब मैंने start किया था, मतलब बचपन से मेरे पेरेंट्स का सपना था कि मेरे को कोई स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन बनाए. फिर हम हरियाणा से हैं और हमारे गांव में रेसलर्स भी हैं, तो फिर हमने रेसलिंग से शुरू किया. एंड मेरे को कॉलर बोन इंजरी हो गई, जिसके कारण मेरे को रेसलिंग छोड़ना पड़ा, शूटिंग पे स्विच करना पड़ा. शूटिंग इसलिए क्योंकि इंडिविजुअल स्पोर्ट है, काफी फेयर है. तो शुरुआत में 1-2 साल काफी मुश्किल आई थी, मतलब मैच प्रेशर हैंडल करना बहुत बहुत मुश्किल होता था. लेकिन फिर बाद में एक्सपीरियंस हुआ मैचेस का. और
क्या एडवाइस दोगे बच्चों को? आप खुद भी बच्चे हो भी ऑलमोस्ट, बट क्या एडवाइस दोगे?
मैं उनको एडवाइस दूंगी कि स्पोर्ट्स करने वाला स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन एक अलग ही दिखता है, उसकी अलग ही पर्सनैलिटी होती है, तो जरूर एक ना एक स्पोर्ट्स जरूर चूज करें.
Brilliant. Sanjeev, do you agree? Athletes do have a different aura, isn't it?
Absolutely. I'm a great fan.
All right. I do thank all of you for joining us here, and a big round of applause for, I think, the youngest winner today as far as our categories are concerned. So Suruchi, all the very best. You have many more medals to win.
Thank you.
Can we please have a photo op here, please?
A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Suruchi Phogat. And as they click those pictures, it's safe
I
to
just
say
want to call
that
my
she's
father. He's here. Please.
Suruchi's
Okay, Suruchi's
dad is
father.
here in the audience. Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
ये एक आर्मी पर्सन है, इनसे ही मैंने अपने देश के लिए खेलना सीखा है, अपने देश को रिप्रेजेंट करना.
It's safe to say that she's the youngest in this room, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much, Suruchi, sir, Mr. Gagan Narang, Sanjeev Bikhchandani and Shrivani for joining in and doing the honors. It was a pleasure having you all on stage.